So, will the price of Bitcoin follow this bearish continuation pattern known as rising wedge? Will the price of Bitcoin follow this lower highs, lower lows continuation despite falling channel, descending channel being a bullish continuation pattern? Will the price get attracted towards the next area of confluence for the month of August? Or what kind of scenario should we expect next? Because if we look at this price action right now in a different time frame using different scenarios, we are being flashed with some very interesting moves. So before we jump into it, please guys, let's destroy the like button and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, what I want you guys to do is to monitor this rising wedge, because since couple of days I was very clear with you guys, if Bitcoin wants to invalidate this lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern type of formation, then we must come across upper trend line from this descending channel, which was around 113,800, 114,000. I showed you if we flip that into support, then we could prepare ourselves for a continuation which might look somehow like this. But unfortunately, the price of Bitcoin has failed to regain its trend above the trend line, and now it looks like following this rising wedge. And this rising wedge also points us that there could be another lower low left, and only after that a continuation of an uptrend. Yes guys, there could be another lower highs, lower lows continuation for Bitcoin, and only after that a reversal which could look somehow like this. Why? Because we know Bitcoin parallelly is also following this descending channel or a falling channel, which normally is a bullish continuation pattern. But I showed you this yesterday. Despite this being a bullish continuation pattern, Bitcoin failing to find support above this upper trend line in the past price action has resulted in a bearish move. I mean, we got attracted towards the lower area, you can see, right? Also forming a lower highs. So if we fail to break out of this upper trend line, then we must prepare ourselves for another continuation towards this lower trend line, which could be in between 106, 107,000, and only after that an actual reversal. That's why guys, if Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above this key trend line, I mean above this upper trend line from this descending channel, then I believe that we will see another lower low, and only after that a reversal which could look somehow like this. I mean, according to this rising wedge, 106, 107,000 will be looked as our next objective, next price objective. And according to this descending channel, again 106, 107,000 will be looked as our next price objective. And parallelly, that is also the first bearish target for the month of August according to our leading indicator. Yes guys, this is our leading indicator, and according to our leading indicator, if the worst case scenario starts playing out and Bitcoin also gets attracted towards the next area of confluence, then you can see where is our next area of confluence? Exactly here, which sits around $106,150. So that is the reason why I'm shouting on top and belongs to be careful. If Bitcoin starts showing weakness, then this is the area where we could be getting attracted, and only after that a reversal in this manner. Yes guys, Bitcoin in the medium short term has a very high chance of testing this key trend line, and only after that a continuation of an uptrend. But you know, even if this scenario plays out, I mean, Bitcoin getting attracted towards this 106, 107,000, Bitcoin following this descending channel, Bitcoin heading towards the next price objective according to this rising wedge, even in that case, I want you guys to zoom out, because if you zoom out, then you can see Bitcoin here is following a bullish continuation pattern known as Megaphone pattern, right? This Megaphone pattern clearly shows us that upper trend line will be looked as resistance, lower trend line will be looked as support. And here, when we tested this lower trend line, you can see Bitcoin also had a very nice rally. So if Bitcoin shows weakness, gets attracted towards the next area of confluence for the month of August around 106, 107,000, in that case, what is going to happen? We will be testing the support from this lower trend line, which could mark the bottom, and after that a continuation which might look somehow like this. Yes guys, I personally think a pullback around 106,000-107,000 could be giving us a great buying opportunity, because beside this megaphone pattern, parallel Bitcoin will also test the support from this curve line, and I've been talking about this since couple of days. Bitcoin has already formed base 1, base 2, base 3, and this pullback could be a formation of base 4. And if you look at this example on the right hand side, after forming base 4, there will be a blow off top type of formation, I mean price movement. So that's why what I think could be happening here, if Bitcoin gets attracted towards 106,000-107,000, I personally think that could mark the bottom for now, and price of Bitcoin after that could show a very bullish move, because not just only in a hourly time frame, daily time frame, I showed you guys that Bitcoin in a bigger picture in a weekly time frame is also following this exact formation here. I mean, despite descending channel being a bullish continuation pattern, even in this example, if you look at it carefully, after breaking out of this channel, we started with a bullish continuation, but this bullish continuation wasn't always like this, right? We had more of an ups and down, but price at the end slowly headed upside. So that's exactly what I'm trying to pinpoint here. Even if the price in the media short term shows weakness like this, you can see in a bigger picture, it could still be a continuation, higher highs, higher lows continuation type of formation. And only after that, a reversal or a sell point, which could make the price of Bitcoin look somehow like this. But until then, I personally believe any sort of a pullback will be giving us a great buying opportunity. So guys, in case of doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.